What's the meaning of a tad? A tad. A tad.
A tad. A tad. The phrase, a tad, is an informal expression that means a little or slightly. It is often used to indicate a small amount or degree of something. For example, you might say, I'm feeling a tad hungry, to suggest that you're a little bit hungry but not overly so. Similarly, if someone says, could you turn up the volume on the TV a tad, they mean to increase it by just a small amount. In essence, a tad is a way of expressing a subtle shift or adjustment without overstatement.